If you're looking for the Windows 11 26H2 ISO, take a look at this. This PC is already running Windows 11 version 26H2, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to download the same ISO directly from Microsoft's official website. This method is completely free, safe, and ensures you're getting the genuine insider preview build without using any third-party websites. Let's get started. Open your favorite web browser and search for Windows Insider Program. Open the official Microsoft website and sign in using your Microsoft account. If you don't already have a Microsoft account, you can create one in just a few minutes. Accept the Windows Insider Program terms and complete the registration process. Once you've finished signing in, the page will automatically reload. Now scroll down until you find the Select Edition section. Click the drop-down menu and select Windows 11 Insider Preview Experimental Build. At the time of recording this video, the latest available build is 26300.8772. You'll notice Microsoft currently labels this download as Windows 11 version 25H2, but don't worry, you're downloading the correct experimental build that updates to Windows 11 26H2 after installation. Microsoft may update the naming before the public release, so always verify the latest build number listed on the website. Click Confirm. Next, choose your preferred language and click Confirm again. Microsoft will now generate your official download link. Click 64-bit download, and the ISO file will begin downloading immediately. Keep in mind that the ISO is several gigabytes in size, so the download time will depend on your internet speed and connection stability. It's recommended to use a reliable internet connection and make sure you have enough free storage space before downloading. Once the download is complete, you can use the ISO to create a bootable USB drive with tools like Rufus or Ventoy, or mount the ISO directly to perform an in-place upgrade while keeping your files and applications. This ISO is also useful for testing new Windows features in a virtual machine such as Hyper-V, VMware, or VirtualBox. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded the official Windows 11 26H2 experimental ISO directly from Microsoft. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest Windows tutorials, insider preview updates, Windows Server guides, PowerShell tips, and PC optimization videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.